Let's go over how you can record your screen using Google Meet. So we've used Google Meet throughout the spring for faculty meetings. You may or may not have noticed that there's a record meeting button down here. I'm going to press that right now. And once you start recording your meeting, that's great and all, but it's not really a screencast yet. You want to pull up, one of your computer windows. So to do that, what you do is present now, select a screen. You have different options when you're presenting, but of course this isn't really what you want either, because you're just presenting to everyone. You're just recording that. So that's not exactly what you're looking for. The recording actually, I think, does have the screen, but you can't see it. So to bring it up so you can actually see what you're showing, you're going to open up the People tab and find your presentation and click on it to spotlight it. And that brings that up. And now you're recording. And just to show you how that can be used, I'm going to open up the Canvas app that we were using earlier. And just, we're going to draw maybe a lake over here, something like this, and then nice shoreline, and then we're gonna draw some happy trees as what I should have done is add a new layer here. And a couple happy trees. And that's our image. That's what that's what we wanted to record in this screencast using Google Meet. And now we're done with that, so we can stop presenting and stop recording. Now, what you just noticed is the recording will get saved into Google Drive, and that takes a few moments for that recording to get processed before it'll actually show up in your Google Drive folder. But it'll show up in a folder called Meet Recordings. And I actually just recorded another mistake session a few minutes ago, and that hasn't showed up here yet. So it does take a few minutes until everything shows up. Let's try to wait it out to see if we get no dice yet. Well, I'll stop the recording now and maybe make a different one when those Google Meet recordings are actually finished. But that's the process, and then you know that they're saved in Google Drive, and then from there you can share those files however you see fit.